I love the fish that come up and smell it and just swim right back down. Oh, those are my favorite fish to fish for. Made it to East Bass. Snowing like crazy. Miracle has occurred. There's only one other person out here. Very rarely does that ever happen. We will hopefully catch some bluegills, make some perch, and hopefully get into the crappie tonight. We'll see what happens. What's going on, everybody? We're out here again on East Bass Lake. You can't tell, it's a beautiful sunny day, probably about 75 degrees. Let's stay a little bit into the evening to see if we can't get into some crappies. Stay tuned. Oh, he's huge! Oh my god, another master angler. See ya, bud. Get back down. God, no way. Keep the buggers out of the deuces. Oh, this is a nice one here, buddy. I'm gonna let this one go, Gunther. Got him. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh yeah, bud. Haley jig strikes again. Sitting here trying to see if I can't get my legs to completely be snowed in. We'll keep you updated. Little guy. That's a keeper there. Keeper Sonny. You don't want her? No eating for Gunther, he says. He's too good. Oh, I just broke my hook off. Gosh darn Haley jig. Got two solid marks down there right now, bud. There he is. Not as solid as I wanted him to be. You got one? Attaboy. He ain't big. A little bit deeper. Oh, I just missed a nice one, dude. I don't have that much wax worm on, but it doesn't seem to make a difference, and missed him again. Got one? Oh, I just missed him again. Ooh. 15 feet from the shanty and we start hooking them up. That's a nice gill. I'm going to switch over to the gill. Oh, he's already gone. Nicer fish. Maybe a crappie. Not a crappie. Nice bluegill though. Oh, this is a nice one. Can I keep him out of the deucer? Question of the day. A little gill. Alright. Gunther says he'll fillet this one. I'm probably going to use his eyeballs for crappies tonight. And get the hook out of him. Oh, there he goes. Under me. Right down there, there's still fish down there. Got a nice fish here, buddy. Oh. That's the keeper bluegill. He was fighting, I'll tell you what. They're still here, bud. They're definitely still here. just caught one. We're skinny, he'll go back. I won't let Gunther play that one. They might be gone now. Oh no, they're still down there. Screwing around the fish finder. This one might be an actual decent one, bud. Maybe not. Oh yeah, that's a decent one. Oh, there's another one down there. Oh, got him right away. Oh, he's a Medusa for sure. Oh, no. He'll go back. Finally got him to bite. Oh, that's a dandy, Gunther. Dandy. So much stuff going on down there right now. Should have re-upped on the wax. Nope, didn't make a difference. This one's got a bit of an attitude. That's another. I'm gonna throw him back. I'm gonna keep him actually. Coming for it. Got him. Squirrely bugger. Crappie, 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 crappie. To the crappie. It's about to eat it. We were going to stay for crappies tonight, but we're pretty content with the bluegill action we've had just with a couple hours before dark here. Had an exam earlier today, didn't get to spend as much time on the ice as we'd like to, but gotta do what you gotta do. I think that we are going to call it a day. We're not going to fish into the night. So I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're having a giveaway. All you guys got to do is comment on any of our videos, and that's an entry in our giveaway. We give away hats, t-shirts, and this time we're going to be giving away some fishing tackle, some of our favorite gear. So good luck to all of you. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you.